Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. Today I have my Ice Cream Beauty Box for you for October 2024. I did cancel the Ice Cream Beauty bag for this month. I don't need to be getting both of these. Let's see here. In October we wear pink, and each month they do support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And if you haven't had a mammogram, get a script from your doctor. Get your mammogram. It's a great month to do it because there's reminders everywhere. I do have my script to get my mammogram. Might not get it done in October, but it'll be done because I currently have a script, which, you know, I generally do it in January, but I figured October was a better month to remind me to get it done. So I do appreciate that very much. So let's see what we have. This is a $25 a month box. 5 beauty products and indie brands mainly. So there's the Amped Lip Challenge in here. There must be some like plumping oil, so they do give you a little caution there. There's always like the peanuts in their box. So let me take out some of these so that I can see what's in here. And they usually do a good box for October, and it's not like Halloween style. This is usually for breast cancer, which is appreciated. So let's see, this might be the lip product. So from Moon Slice Beauty, is this the lip oil? Let me see here on the card. Is this a blush? Is there more than one thing? Yes, so this is liquid blush by Moon Slice Beauty, $19. So let's open this up. Probably going to be a lot of pinks. Yeah, that's pretty packaging. Very pretty packaging. Let's see, is it twist off? Yeah. Is it a doe foot? Probably. Yep, doe foot. Let's do a little dab. That's a bright pink. But I love the package. Let me show it to you. So it's right here. So it's definitely a bright pink. And it definitely diffuses out to something lighter. So that was one little dot. I always err on the side of lighter. I can always put more on. So I would put like a little dot and then blend it. But that feels nice. Does that have like a glow to it? Let me see. A little bit goes a long way. And it says to use a brush. I used my finger, but it still worked. So that is $19. From Chantico Beauty. What do we have here? Pink Duochrome Duo, $20. And does this have a seal on it? It looks like it has. Maybe not. Kind of hard to tell because it's a shiny package. I don't think there is. So let's see what you look like. Nice little mirror. Oops. Right here. Did come with a little like sponge applicator, which might be okay for those. So they're not too bad. I like the white, and they definitely are a duo. I can see the pink and the white. Yeah, this is really nice. I like that. I'm not sure I'm going to keep that, so we'll leave that there. So then we have this one from Indie Beat Cosmetics. This is Amped Plumping Lip. Where are you? $17. Oops. Let's open you up and see what you look like. So that's what it looks like. Right here, so it's definitely pink. It's just a clear gloss. It's going to drop a little bit of pink, as I can see. I'm afraid to put that on my lips at the moment. But I don't know if you guys can see, but it is a light pink, which is nice. And if it has anything to do with this, the Amped Lip Plumping Oil is intense. Tingling is a sign that the product is working to enhance volume. Typically mild and fades after a few minutes. yeah, so I'll give that a try. I mean, I can handle like the Too Faced ones, and some of them really do sting, but it goes away after a minute or two. But that almost smells like it's a sweet smell, almost like cotton candy smell, but it would look nice with the blush, so I'm not unhappy with that. Let's see here. I see something from Zisa Cosmetics right here, and this is Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow, $24, and this does have a seal on it, so let's open her up and see. Trying to slit the package nice in case I don't keep it, then I can share it. So not bad. Zisa has some nice products, and in this box you're definitely going to get a nice little collection of Zisa products. Let me get it out of the package. Right there. That's really pretty. Probably not going to swatch it just in case I decide not to keep it. Oh, that is like a fine brush. But that would be a good liner. So that's an eyeshadow, but that would make a great liner right there. So that's, you know, some really nice products right there. Then we have Beauty Moon Cosmetics with Ice Cream Beauty Hope and Bloom. And let's open this up. And this is $35. Now keep in mind, this is all a lot of pinks for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which I do appreciate that they do share a portion of, I think the proceeds from the box goes to, yeah, portion of all proceeds from the month's subscriptions goes to breast cancer research. Let me see, Oreo's just right next to me and she's chewing on something. I don't know what she's got. What do you got? Okay, I'm just, oh, right here, I did show it to you. Just trying to get it out. So this is probably going to be a lot of pinks, which I generally do not keep. So I will share this, but very nice and vibrant of a palette. It's just not me, but I love them. I just can't. Like if I kept one or two, and I do have palettes that do have some pinks, but this is not one that I would use, so I just don't keep if I'm not going to. If I see it's even less than half of what I would use, I just don't keep it. I share it. It's just, to me, it's not worth keeping. And, you know, for one or two pans, and I can't get that back in, so we won't bother. And I do believe that's everything in my Ice Cream Beauty box for this month. I think a very, very good box, as usual. And I think for $25, you get a palette in every single box. So I don't think you can go wrong there. And, you know, we got to have some lip products, but very, very nice. And I love Pink October is their theme. Help research move forward. I love that. And I do love that they put this in there. This way you are aware that, and I don't know if you guys can see, it's like getting pinker. So I think that would be, with the blush, I think that would be an awesome lip product, just to have a light, like a light pink wash. But I really do like the blush a lot. I like a pink blush. Pink and peaches are, you know, more my style, but that's light enough that I think I can pull that off. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Do you get Ice Cream Beauty Box? And if you don't, I would love to know why, if you get boxes. Now, if you don't get any boxes, then, you know, I get it. But if you do get some, I'm curious why you would not get this one. I think getting a palette every month is so worth the $25. Plus, then all the other products are bonuses. And it's rare if they send junk. I know sometimes, you know, you might get a product and think, you know, I never even heard of this company. These companies I've heard of. Shantica Beauty, Beauty Moon, yes. Zisa, we've been getting a lot of products. So you can really, like I said, get a nice little collection of Zisa. They have beautiful, beautiful products and packaging. It's not just the packaging. Their products are good, but the packaging is really nice. So thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.